If you could have one conversation with God right now, what would it?
John, interviewers learn from him. That's a very good question. I've ever been asked that if I could have one conversation, I would ask you.
From Hello Mama Africa, the Lord watch over my shoulders. Garnet Silk music is on. Today we celebrate legend. So we take to the crowd to find out what's your favorite Garnet Silk. So we're there, the Garnet Silk Legacy there, and we're there with no other than Anthony Cruz, who is also a family member. So what we want to ask the man is, why your most memorable moment at Garnet Silk?
Well, to be honest, I would say when I was a teenager, the first time I get to see Garnet perform, at a place called Mayday Bandstable.
Yeah.
And the first time, them time I got to school and
Yeah.
wasn't really interested in music,
Yeah.
And then I said, wow, we have an artist in our family.
Yeah.
So that's when we kind of really click in with the artists and thing. And that was my first time. I'll never forget that.
Yeah.
Even though we have other memorable moments, but that moment stand out to me because it was the first time I realized that we have an artist in the family, So that stand out to me.
Okay. So how much of an influence Garnet Silk have on you and your music?
Well, you don't have to ask that because if you check my music, we sing lovers rock, roots music, and Garnet definitely would have said influence me in that way because the magnitude of can catalog of music for Garnet leave me not anyone of my other family would say I'm a singer, Aaron Silk or whoever could have never come to nothing different from what them on the set. So it's like him set a bar, a prestige, everything where you have to just do nothing else but follow that. Because we see a lot of the youths doing opposite of that.
Yeah.
And Garnet and Bob Marley and all them on the show, Dennis Brown, I'm sure you say, you know, have the negative music in order for the rich. Because that's the most man aim to be popular, to be famous.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Yeah, so I just say that.
And then you find say the man then will get the quick popularity, Give them 1 5 year, you don't really hear about their music. But them artists here, even by the time my son turn big man, him still have a hear Garnet. So which one are your personal favorite Garnet?
The one will say, I will always do the good I can, war and hatred I ain't stay.
Yeah.
Love is the answer. And the reason, it's very simple. It's a very simple song, but effective because all I'm saying that song there is, love is the answer to everything. Love is the answer for you and your brother to get along. Love, if you show love and me show love, we're not a problem. You understand? So love cancel out hate, love cancel out bad mind, love cancel out negativity, love cancel out everything.
Yeah.
So that's my favorite.
And so, with the artists such as Garnet Silk, the impact we have, you think the country, or I say the government, do enough to acknowledge Garnet Silk music and legacy?
I don't think so, but I don't think, at least my personal, I don't think the government really has anything to do with music.
Oh.
Yes, a lot of people looking for this and that from the government.
Yeah.
From God bless you with, when bless you with everything else, the people then will acknowledge you. You don't need the government because everything would look to the government, the government, the government. Government just take care of government affairs, and that's it. You understand? So when you more understand how the things set, so you don't have to look to nobody for anything.
Yeah.
And I said, just look from your look to the Almighty, you get everything. And yeah.
All right. So where the people them can look. So here at Garnet Silk Legacy Day, we're here with.
My Smith, I'm his daughter.
So I feel like this segment is kind of more personal. So what I'm going to ask you is, what's your most memorable moment with that?
Well, because of how old I was when my dad passed, I only have memories from home videos. And the most special moments on home videos for me are when moments when I can see Daddy singing to myself and my brothers and sisters. Very intimate moments, very nurturing moments because he was a very nurturing man, a very emotional man, a very special. So those are some of my fondest or most intimate memories.
If you could have one conversation with God right now, what would it?
Interviewers learn from him. That's a very good question. I've never been asked that. If I could have one conversation, I would ask Daddy to stay home tonight. I'd be like, Daddy, why don't you stay home tonight? That's what I would. That's what's the truth. That's what I'd ask. That's what I'd talk about.
So how have his music been an influence on your life?
Listen, his music has been an influence on my life because, as you know, he's known as the archangel, and angels guide you, protect you, and teach you. And that's what his music does for me because I'm an imperfect person, just like every other human. Because if you want perfection, you seek it from God. So I use his music as a spiritual guide to be a better person.
All right, with a catalog as big as his, what's your favorite song and why?
I hate that question. I don't know my favorite song because it's too much. So I have songs for in the shower in the morning. I have for in the evening. I have songs that listen. I have for this month. My favorite is Sayonara.
Yes. All right, thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much, and you're so beautiful.
Okay.
I love you.
You follow the channel. Yeah, so we're there upon the Garnet Silk Legacy there. Who may I talk to?
Brittany.
Brittany.
Yeah.
What do you think about the event on a whole?
It's a tremendous event. I look forward to something like this for a while, from Garnet Silk. Yeah.
So you look young still, but me I can ask the same way. Which one of the Garnet Silk songs am your favorite one?
There's so much. Advantage. Promise. Cherry promise not to break her vow.
So if you could have used one word to describe Garnet Silk, what that would have been?
Legendary. Legendary.
So you would have say you get any inspiration from Garnet?
Hold it, no. Yeah. Motivation.
So we say we need more thing like this and more thing where Garnet concerned.
Courage, you can't too much.
Big up.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're there upon the Garnet Silk Legacy there, see? So I want to know how Garnet Silk influenced the art.
Well, the way how this great iconic, character really influence I is through the vibration of the positive music,
Yeah.
and the culture and the legacy that we have as black people through our culture
Yeah.
and the teaching and even so the spiritual part that we try,
Yeah.
So it influenced me a lot in my spiritual part, even through music, through our divine liberty,
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So if you could have used one word to describe Garnet Silk Legacy, what you would have said?
Well, that's a great,
Yeah.
very great. You understand? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what the I name?
I name Jarian, aka Fire Rain, which is a one rain,
Yeah. So we'll find the man music.
Well, sir, you can go up on YouTube, and type in some music come do a couple years ago.
Yeah.
But right now we just put everything together and I get everything on a new page and a new package now we can just go out, So we just I do the groundwork.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, Rasta. Big up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're there upon the Garnet Silk Legacy days in. So when we want to know if Garnet Silk did alive right now, what you da want to talk to him about?
Why would I want to talk to him about my music, because I have some great songs, that's it. But we don't get the break or forget the break,
Yeah. So how you da say Garnet Silk influenced the man music now?
Why him influenced me with a lot, Because all the great song you have over there. Zion, them and them great song and thing. Enough more, you see me?
So which one of the song them now you would have say are most impactful song?
Zion, Okay. Yeah, man, Zion.
Okay. So as an artist now, which one of your song them now you would have say are your most impactful song right now?
I say anything you want, you have to work for that. I say Asava Pearl, them I run for that. I say Shelly and Freya, them I run for that. I can't get no job, me I go search for that. Me not go take up no gun and go kill for that. Life, my advice no say life win.
Okay, so make we know where we find the music.
You can find me on TikTok, life win. For you type in life win, you find me, you see me? Not either it's life win, it's life win, I come no. I'm out.
All right, big up.
Life.
All right, so we're there upon the Garnet Silk Legacy there, Zine. Who may I talk to?
God bless, you see me?
Okay. So when we really want to ask the man still, how Garnet Silk really influence you as an artist?
Well, you know, them man, they are real people, you see me? Real Rasta man to the music, you see me? Yeah, man, enough get a you to that. Did it with them, man, they said we call them real, you see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So which one of Garnet Silk song them now you would have say are your personal favorite?
Well, the mama one,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, you can agree on that one. Yeah, man. So as an artist now, more than why you tell the people them, where them can find your music?
Find me?
Your music.
Oh, yeah, in a YouTube, you see me, I say.
How them find it on YouTube?
Well, God bless, type in God bless. Bun Bun, and you get one tune name, Bun Bun. You have a next one when you make a look, you see me, I say. He
Yeah.
said we, on the YouTube, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right. Go and do it. Then
Yeah, man, big
big
up,
up.
yeah,
All
one.
right. Big up. All right. So you know we're there upon the Garnet Silk Legacy there. What the man name?
You don't know it's a boy, Passion Essence, Art of Love.
Okay. So as an artist, more you make the people them know where we find your music.
You can find me on YouTube as Passion Essence and Instagram as official Passion Essence.
All right. So me I go go in the spotlight, you know. So me I go into the mic and more every man give me a little piece of them best songs in.
All right. Tell me why you a bus gun. When not a send you go to jail, go and play tough until you end up in a grave. When your life get cut, you can't come back again. What's a pain? Tell me why you a bus gunshot. You that a send you go to jail, go and play tough until you end up in a grave. When your life get cut, you can't come back again. What's a pain? You say you think shot want make a impact, you bring strap at him that hard cold like ice. You ready for kill pot, not take no talk. Say you have a thing lock till you get locked down. I better you build back. Go and look at work or something. Don't bother kill nobody, just stay out of trouble. I better you go out and also put on the all and go to something. Art of Love. Passion Essence,
Yeah, great things, they are going to real fire rain, Jar rain, Yeah, man, keep it, kick it around, because they have for the thing, So me I say, Wild West, I that them the pan, them a sing a listen it, and Western, slap way head and drop you over break and know the people them a ball in a Vietnam. Wild West, I that them the pan, them a sing a listen it, and Western, and slap with the head and drop you over break and one ton of the place in a World War One. Them youth are the pan killing spree, shoot you for money, they will shoot you for free, shoot you for land and they will shoot you at sea, shoot you in a land. Yeah, man.
Boom! I saw me do it clean and neat, dog. I saw me do it clean and neat, dog. Money in my pocket and me overlook neat, dog. I saw me do it clean and neat, dog. Money in my pocket and me overlook clean, dog. I saw me do it clean. You myself, everybody knows your life, I'm out. You think I rum talk? If I rum talk, me don't talk, me no love talk. Boom!
Yeah, man, God bless. I'm tell them, say, yo, bun bun, my girl, bun bun, bun bun, my girl, bun bun, bun bun, not done, bun bun, just a come suck off the sweet ear, so see the bubble gum. My girl, the earstyle look fine, the earstyle it a one of a kind, the mango, the pine, the orange, or the lime. Aki she want her a tree, she want climb. Whoa, you know it, go, chop.
Mama Ethiopia, Mama Ethiopia, hear Israel cry, Israel cry. Mama Ethiopia, Mama Ethiopia, hear Israel cry, Israel cry. Them cannot hide the truth, no things no got to expose. Youth them arise and I yell all the king. You know see Africa stretch forth her wing, and them see the black rice living, and them see the light way shining for the spiritual food missing of yarning. Repatriation, black people rising. Mama Ethiopia, Mama Ethiopia, here Israel. Yeah man, blessings.